ready to unlock the secrets to a better financial future. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of your Experian credit score. First things first, head over to Experian's website Experian.com here. You can easily access your credit report and FICO score for free. Look for the free credit report or similar button and get signed up. Now, take a good look at your FICO score, that 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Below, you will see the key factors that make up the score, like payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. Understanding these factors will help you see the areas you need to improve. One of the best ways to boost your credit score is to make sure you pay your bills on time. Even one late payment can negatively impact your score. So set up payment reminders or automatic payments to stay on track. Another way to leverage your Experian credit score is when you apply for loans or credit cards. A higher score means a greater chance of approval and better interest rates if you want a mortgage to buy a house. Make sure your score is in the excellent range before applying. Don't be afraid to use your good credit score to your advantage. If you already have credit cards or loans, call your lenders and ask if they will lower your interest rate. You can say that you noticed your credit score has improved and you'd like to discuss a rate adjustment based on your improved creditworthiness. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your Experian credit score puts you in control of your financial destiny.